Hello there, it's CreativeSarah here. We are going to finish up this haunted house section. We have the medium and the small house to do. And I am going to paint with some of our Storm chalk paste. I did spray the top with water just to make it smooth. Once I have it kind of painted, all like gray, I'm going to go ahead and dry it. While I'm drying this, if you are new and you want to come join my free group, go ahead and comment VIP in the comments and I will send you a link so that you can join my free crafting group where you'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Once these are totally dry, we are going to use the other haunted house chalk. Oh, we're going to do some surface wax. That's right. Make sure we get that waxed up so that it protects our transfer. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our, we'll wax up our cutouts too. Go ahead and grab our transfer right back on the backer sheet and lay it down. I'm going to use our special August 2022 Very Peri chalk paste. This is a dark periwinkle color, perfect for Halloween and haunted houses. This is only available when you have a qualifying purchase. You can get it for free in August only. You cannot buy it. I can't buy it. Nobody can buy it. It's only available as a gift with purchase. Okay, so then we did our house with our shimmer shadow. Look at that. It looks so cool. If that went too fast for you, don't you worry. There's going to be a great still frame photo of everything when this video comes to an end. All right, so we're going to go ahead and chalk up some of our other pieces. I had some wooden cutouts from CreativeWoodCutsShop on Etsy, and those wood cutouts were, I went ahead and painted them before the video. So they're a little dark. They're like black. Oh, it looks so good. All right, let's do these little pumpkins here. I'm going to use some shimmer pumpkin on them. So just lining up the transfer on the little light, my iPad right there. That app is called My Light, and it lights up your iPad so that you can use it as a light box. Next, we're going to just use that shimmer pumpkin color for appropriately the pumpkins. And then the very last thing that we're going to do, we have this little gargoyle cut out, and we're going to do him with some shimmer silver. And it's going to turn out amazing. Once we get all of the little pieces chalked, all I have to do is dry them and attach them to my house. So very easy. All of this stuff can be found by clicking on the Shop the Look link right here in the description of the video. And of course, if you'd like to try this out yourself, you can comment sample in the comments and I will send you a link where you can pick up a sample of all of our little products to try. You'll get a little squeegee, some chalk paste, you'll get a little surface, and of course a mini transfer. Those are our silkscreen stencils. We call them transfers. Oh, this is coming together so awesome. Okay, you guys, if you are looking for some more information, you can go to CreativeSarah.com or you can reach out via Messenger and send me a message and I'll be happy to get back with you. Here we go. Look at everything we've been creating this week. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.